every time we trend up, 5 days tested, and once in a while, right? And I used a very rough estimation of once a month that it will retest the 20-day moving average, right? You see it here. You see it here. Once in a while, we too have to grab liquidity from the bottom Bollinger 20-day retest, 20-day retest, right? This is also bottom Bollinger retest. So I want you to see the understanding of that, right? So wait for, I would think, the 20-day closer to where the upper Bollinger is, right? By then, I would think the 5-day will also trend a little bit closer to that before we start building more liquidity for a bigger move, right? And by then, you will see the bottom Bollinger starting to trend up. And remember, as I told you, a pullback only happens when the bottom Bollinger starts trending up a little bit more. Right, so understanding this becomes very key for you, and when you translate it in a 30-minute chart, it will make more sense. Right, so there are lots of key liquidity here. Pay close attention to that, and don't forget to watch yesterday's video and the video prior to that, so you can latch on my thought process, have a deeper understanding of what to be expecting from there. Lots of things to learn, so let's learn together, right? And the best way to learn is not through a course, but it's to trade with somebody who knows what they're doing, right? So thank you very much for watching. See you close.